Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Welcome back to our online learning initiative Ekalaiva. Hope you are all hale and healthy. In today's class, we are going to continue the lesson Let's Be Friends Again, written by Hans Wilhelm. In our previous class, we learned that there was a boy who was quite upset with his little sister because she let his pet turtle free in the pond. Let's continue the remaining now. When I saw what she had done, I was very angry. I wanted to hit her. When the narrator saw what she had done to his pet turtle, he became very angry and wanted to hit her because she let his pet turtle free in the pond. Here, the words saw and wanted is in past tense. The present tense of saw is see, S-E-E-C. And the present tense of wanted is want, W-A-N-T, want. Let's move on to the next line. But my parents stopped me and separated us quickly. He says that his parents stopped him and separated them from each other quickly. The present tense of stopped is stop, S-T-O-P, stop. And the present tense of separated is separate, S-E-P-A-R-A-T-E, separate. My sister said that she was sorry, but I felt that wasn't enough. I was annoyed. Annoyed means angry and irritated. He says that his sister was sorry to have upset him, but that was not enough for him. He was very angry with his sister. The present tense of said is say, S-A-Y, say. And the present tense of felt is feel, F-E-E-L, feel. And the present tense of annoyed is annoy, A-N-N-O-Y, annoy. She even offered to buy me a new turtle with her pocket money. Pocket money means a small amount of money, parents give to their children. His sister apologized and even offered to buy him a new turtle with her pocket money. But I didn't want a new one. I wanted my turtle back. But he wanted his own turtle back. The present tense of offered is offer, O-F-F-E-R, offer. My parents didn't say much. They seemed to be on her side. Be on her side means supporting her. His parents did not say anything. They seemed to support his little sister. I went to my room and slammed the door as loudly as I could. Slammed means slammed means shut a door forcefully and loudly. So he went to his room and shut the door forcefully and loudly. The present tense of seemed is seem, S-E-E-M, seem. And the present tense of slammed is slam, S-L-A-M, slam. I thought of many ways to punish my little sister. So he thought of different ways to punish his sister. By seeing these pictures, we can understand that how angry he was. The present tense of thought is think, T-H-I-N-K, think. I tried to get some sleep, but it didn't work. He tried to sleep, but he could not sleep. The present tense of tried is try, T-R-Y, try. I began to feel sick. I was sure I even had a fever. He felt sick and feverish. The present tense of began is begin, B-E-G-I-N, begin. I was too upset to get out of bed. The brother was unhappy that he did not come out of his bed. Meanwhile, my sister was singing and dancing in the garden. She seemed to be having the best time of her life. But his sister seemed to be enjoying herself singing and dancing in the garden. I was the one who was upset and my little sister didn't seem to care at all. The brother was upset but his sister did not bother about it. My turtle was gone. He is missing his turtle and she was the cause for it. How could she forget all about it so easily? And that made me angrier. He thought how she could forget all this very easily. This made him very angry. The present tense of made is make, M-A-K-E, make. Okay children, let's stop this lesson here. We'll continue the remaining in our next class. I hope you would have enjoyed the class and understood too. Meet you all in the next class. Thank you children.